All right, drink we're about to make is called Summer Sky. Let's go ahead and take a glass and fill it up with ice. And we're going to measure out 2 ounces of gin. All right, there's 1 and 2. We're going to follow that up with 1 ounce of triple sec. Okay, and we're going to fill it up with pineapple juice. Okay, go ahead and stir up those ingredients. Just get everything mixed together. Don't have to do a very intense stir. And the last thing we're going to do is give it a splash of grenadine, and it's going to give it a pretty cool sky color. And we'll add a straw, and you can garnish it with an orange and a cherry. Bottoms up.